Wait a minute, did you know you could take Dollar Tree ornaments and turn them into other things? Let me show you how. I've got this Noel ornament from the Dollar Tree and this house that's like a chalkboard in the front from the Dollar Tree. Now what I'm going to do is take my gold metallic paint. I'm going to paint around the edges where it's white right now. And actually I'm going to end up painting around the sides as well because I just wanted to give it a really nice gold accent. This ornament's going to have a lot of gold on it, but it's going to make it really pop when it's all done. Now the first coat goes on pretty light, as you can see here. So it's not like a very solid gold, but I do go back and I do several coats till I get it to, you know, the level of gold that I want. And if you see, I got a little bit on the black area. Later on, I do go back off camera and touch that up with some black chalkboard paint. Then I'm going to take the Noel ornament and I'm going to paint all that wood gold that's on it. So now it matches. Do you see how that just pops? I love the way this looks. I'm just going to put glue on the four corners where it actually touches that kind of frame around the house. I'm going to lay it down, press it on. This is so easy, you guys. I love taking ornaments and doing hacks with them and creating something else. Anyway, I'm just going to touch up where the glue kind of oozed out a little bit and I didn't get it off fast enough. And that way it just is all gold all the way around. So just, you know, a little bit in each of those four corners of the Noel ornament. Now that little piece of like a pine cone fell off, so I'm just going to glue it right back on. No big deal. I think I was kind of handling the ornament a little bit too rough and it came off. And look at that. That's all there was to this. Isn't that so beautiful? Again, I go off camera and I do touch up that gold that went on the black. You can see it there. You have to let me know what you think. I absolutely love this one. Is such a fun Dollar Tree ornament hack. I've got a bell and then two of the round type of bells. And those are all individual ornaments. And then I have this canvas that I had used and I'm just going to rip off the canvas part. I'm not going to use what was on the other side because I want the frame. And I'm just going to paint the frame in the burnt umber paint. I get that at Walmart. And then I will rub it back and kind of create like a stain because I did want this to look like nice, you know, a nice wood frame. So I'll do that around the entire thing. There you go. And now I've got these little eye hooks and I'm going to figure out where the center is. Do you love how I measure with my fingers like that? Anyway, and then you just screw them on in. And then I'm going to put two more kind of between that center one and the other edge. And you can see, again, I'm doing my own little weird way of measuring. Now you're going to love this part. I'm going to take the little container that has the eye hooks in it and see the distance. And then that's how I'm going to figure out the other one. Sometimes I'm very precise. Sometimes I just kind of wing it. And this was one of those times. And it turned out pretty good, actually. So all of those are in there. And then I'm just going to put a little sawtooth hanger on there. Very easy. Now we'll turn it over and we're going to take this golden white baker's twine. I got this a while back at Target. And I'm just going to hang the three bells. I'm going to hang the larger bell a little bit lower to the bottom so that it hangs lower. And then the two round bells, I'll pull those up a little higher. That way they're kind of not hanging over each other and touching. I wanted this to just look like a little bit of a staggered type of a look. I think this is so pretty. I've seen people do this with ornaments. And I thought, why not do it with bells? When I say ornaments, I mean bauble ornaments, as opposed to bell ornaments. I should clarify that since this is all about ornament hacks in this video. Anyway, we're just gonna knot the little, you know, hangers that were there onto the top there and get them to the right length, if you will. And we'll just add the last one on there. Now, once we get them on there, I wanna make sure that those little knots don't come out. These hangers aren't like the best for tying knots. So I do end up adding a little bit of hot glue just to kind of secure that and make sure that the knots don't come out. I just felt like that was the best way to handle that. And there you go. Now I've got this piece that I had used on another thing. So it's just two evergreen swags that I got from Amazon. And then I put a pine cone with leaves in the middle. And I took it off something else because that's why it's already formed together. And I'm just adding it to the very top to give this a little bit more, you know, festivity and interest. And I love how this turned out. Just think this was just 3 Dollar Tree ornaments put together to make this beautiful little hanging piece. I love it. Let me know what you think. And would you try something like this? Love a quick and easy craft. I've got a bunch of different ornaments. These little ornaments came from Walmart, actually. They were in a little set and it was very good price. And then I've also got some little felt kind of pieces with sparkles. I also got this cutting board, or I guess it's almost like a pizza little pan thing at Goodwill. and it was really good price, and it's so cute. I just sanded it off, and now we're just going to take these ornaments and place them on here. I thought this would be so cute, like a little baking kind of a theme thing. Anyway, so I'm just placing them where I think they will look the best, and then I'm just going to take hot glue and attach them. Literally, this is so easy, and it comes out adorable. Oh my gosh. It's just like assembly. There's like you don't even have to create anything other than the placement, just assembly, which makes it fun and easy, but it turns out looking like such a nice little project. I love it. Anyway, we're going to add the other little gingerbread ornament right on there, and it's so cute because they're in their own little pans. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Then we're going to add the Christmas trees on, kind of where I've got them placed right now. Again, super easy, just add hot glue. And by the way, you can use any glue you want. A lot of times, just because I want to make these videos in a quicker manner, if you will, so that I can get them done, I would use hot glue just to make it easy. But if I was going to sell them or give them as gifts or whatever, I would probably use different glue depending on what it is. Now I'm going to take these little beads that came with those Christmas tree ornaments. They were like on the rope or the hanger. And I'm just going to put them over the hole and make it look like the topper of the tree. And I thought that was a great way to use that little piece. Then I'm going to take off those green bows because I realized they were underneath that hole. And since we're not using the piece as an ornament, we can just cover up the hole by removing the bows and placing them right over that hole. And I thought that was the perfect way to, use them. And look how cute that is. Now I'm going to take this cute little baking spatula that was also an ornament and just place it right there, right by the base of this little cutting board. Then I'm going to take a couple of evergreen pics, just little ones, and I'm just going to place them like a swag right at the very base of the handle of this piece. And we're just going to make a cute little piece there just to kind of like top it off and make it a little bit more festive and fun. We're going to take the little peppermint candy, the felt one that has sparkles on it, and we're going to put that right in the center. Now, I didn't end up using the bell or the candy cane because I felt like this was enough, and I actually stopped when it was enough. Wonders never cease. Sometimes I like to add more and more, but I thought this just was perfect the way it was, and I love how it turned out. Let me know what you think. What a fun craft. Another super easy Dollar Tree ornament hack. I've got a bunch of these doves and cardinals, which I absolutely love, and then these little round balls. And then I have this beaded wreath form, and then some greenery as well. And we're going to start at the top, and these little birds have wires on them. So we're just going to attach it by, twisting the wire around. Now that's not going to be good enough to position it the way I want, but we got to get it on there to begin with. So we'll go ahead and nip the excess and bend down the pointy ends so that, nobody hurts themselves. And I'm just going to use my nippers to help me do that in my fingers, which I probably shouldn't do because I usually poke myself, but you know how it is crafting, occupational hazard. Then I'm going to add some hot glue and just kind of hold this dove in place. It takes a little while because it kind of wants to move. I'm not sure why it wanted to move, but I did add some more hot glue and just kept holding it in place to make sure that it would stay. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the other three birds. So the top and the bottom will have the white doves, and the left and the right will have the red cardinals. I don't know about you, but I love red cardinals. I think they're gorgeous. And for those who don't know, which you probably do, the red ones are actually the males. Isn't that funny how in the animal kingdom, the males are always the beautiful ones? Now we're going to take these little round balls. I'll pull that little hanger right off. And where the hole was, just going to add some hot glue. I'm going to put one little ball between each of the birds. And it's just so pretty. And because the red and the white ties together with the two colors of the birds, I think this one just looks beautiful. Very Christmassy, wintry. I absolutely love it. Then we're going to take the greenery, and I'm just going to attach two little leaves together with hot glue. And I'm going to add that between every single bird and little ball. So you'll see what I'm doing here. I'm just gluing them together, and then I will add hot glue on the back as well and put them right over the beads between the birds and the balls. And it just adds such a beautiful color. You could use any kind of greenery you want. I had these, they had little sparkles or sprinkles on them, so I decided to use them. And then I've got these little kind of berries that are full of sparkles. And I'm just going to use those in the center of each of the leaves just to add a little bit more fun and festivity to it. I've got a gift bag hanger and I save them, and I'm just going to add that to the top, that little metal piece that holds this together, and tie a knot. And look at that. Isn't that so pretty? You could hang this in the middle of a beautiful green wreath. You could hang it all by itself wherever you want. I just thought it was so simple and so easy, and I love it. Let me know what you think. Are you ready for more inspiration? I've got another video here I think you will really like. Click on it. I will see you there. You are truly a blessing to me. Bye.